Hello and welcome. On this video I will show you today how to put your website on Google Analytics and also how to embed the code from Analytics to your WordPress site. First of all, you have to go in Google Analytics, go to admin area, create an account. So put the account name, I will call it tips to fix. My new website name, tips to fix. Put the URL. Here it is. Put the URL here. Select the industry category. Okay. Choose the time zone. I'm okay with this. And go to Get Tracking ID. Accept those. Accept terms of services, and here we are. Now we add our website on Google Analytics. Google Analytics, it gives you a code here, a script. So what we have to do is just copy this code and we have to add manually in our website. Go to your WordPress website, go to Theme Editor. In Theme Editor you have to go in header, find header.php. We have to put this code one line before head is end. So let's find the head end is here. The last script for head is this one in 26. So I have to put the code here in the end of head. So here it is the script before the head ends. Click update file and here you are. You just link your WordPress site with Google Analytics. What we have to do now, no data received in past 48 hours. Let's go home of the Google Analytics and let's see for real-time overview. And here it is. Right now is one user in Tips to Fix, and this is me. I'm watching this article in my website. So as you see, Google Analytics is linked with your website. So thank you for watching, guys. Enjoy Google Analytics and let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.